What's up, YouTube? So today we're going to clean that engine bay up on that Foxbody. It is all nasty, dirty, ugly when you open the hood. The whole car is pretty ugly actually, but we're trying to make it less of a shit box, more of a presentable, decent looking race car, street car. And gonna go down there and pressure wash everything up, clean it up, get the dirt off of it, sand spots we need to, lay some paint down on it. Try to make it look a lot better and get it ready for the engine. We're still waiting on some parts, so it'll be a few weeks on getting the motor down in the car. We got the bobby on the transmission right now. I've been all over eBay, LMR, any place I can need a part from, ordering stuff. So it's gonna come together all at once, I believe. But if you notice, we got a Foxbody on the trailer right now, and it's a pretty sharp little car. And we went all the way to Harrod, Kentucky. Actually, we went to West Virginia before that looking at another one, but it didn't pan out at all. But went to Harrod, Kentucky last night to pick it up for my buddy Ricky. It's his car. It's going to be his little street car we cruise around with. Right now it's a stock as a rock. It's got a cold air intake and exhaust, but 5.0 speed, gray interior, dark shadow gray outside. It's really pretty car. It's straight, low mileage. 5 lug disc brake all the way around, got Mach 1 wheels on it. I need those, Ricky, for my Mach 1. It's rolling on race stars. But pretty car, nice car. So there'll be another Foxbody on the channel. Have a whole damn gang of them, convoy. But let's get down there and get started on this engine bay, right? And we're off. Here we are, the shop. It's pretty straight. This one. He found a red automatic, but got on there and found this in 5-speed. I got the keys to it. Power to it. Alright, so now we got it pressure washed, I'm gonna start taking all the stuff out of here. All these tabs, wiring, anything that doesn't need to be painted. Then start sanding on it, clean it up some more, and try to lay some paint. First off though, I got my SFI approved battery hold down, took it off. Safety first. Give it back my booties. Oh, give it back. Oh shit, right there. Give me that back. Alright, so I'm going to leave it right there for this video on the engine bay cleanup. We still got a lot of work to do. I still got stuff to take off, a lot of sanding, a lot of masking, and before we can prime and paint. The cowl panel's been on the car as well, so I'd really like to fix the cowl panel along with the engine bay. It would just kind of blend together and work together. I don't want to paint the engine bay, fix the cowl panel, put primer on that, then have it all over my engine bay paint. So, and it's getting kind of late, and it's my birthday, so I don't want to stay down here all night. So what I'm going to do, take the Cobra home, go have some fun a little bit, and get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to go to a little car meet down in Millsboro, Kentucky. I think it's a Cars and Coffee. It's real early, so I'm going to go home. Alright, so here's the deal. It's really, really cold right now. It's super early, and I'm not a morning person. But we're going to Cars and Coffee. It's a shop out in Millsboro, Kentucky called A to Z Performance, I think it is. Like a diesel shop, I believe. I've never been, so don't quote me on it, but they're doing it. And a few of my wild-ass meat trucking buddies, they're gonna go, so we're gonna take the Cobra there and the Mach 1 and go hang out, have some fun. Let's go. Well, now we're waiting on the old lady to bring Cobra down. Got the big meaties on this thing, right there. Big old bi-splice. Got a full tank of pump gas, ready to party. Oh son, need to change them headlights. So quiet. It's nice though. Nice and quiet. Mondays. Yeah, take the Mondays. Oh, son. Service engine soon. Get that on them big jobs. You ready? Let's go! Look at them. That is cool as hell. Ah! Whatever that was sounded cool. Damn, this guy's on the other side. He's a mailman. That's a wild shit, gas tank on the inside. Or cat. I'm making video y'all today, so have fun.
It's like one of the first times I ever opened this because it takes 2 people to open it. So I feel like 30 grads.
I ain't know what it is. I ain't leading the pack. I got shit to do. I'm in a Mustang. Y'all outrun me. Mary, we need a fucking mini truck. They're pretty cool. This dude's driving like a mailman. He's on the other side.
I was wondering.
Yeah, he got in. I'm like, holy shit. All right, let's go. Son, that's cool. His tag's in the damn tailgate sideways. Look at that. It's pretty cool. I need one of these things. Change of the elbow. Got it. Oh, don't get too crazy.
So I can prove to everybody if this is right or wrong. So I write it down and lay it right in front of you. So first question, think about the first person you ever kissed. Just the name of the person.
He's like, Lord, he's looking at Jordan.
Wait, they're videoing. Is this going to get you in trouble?
No.
Okay, good. So you got the name?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so there's mine. I wadded it out. Okay, put that in your pocket. Okay, what's that name? What's his or her name? You got to be politically correct nowadays. You don't want to get it in a bad thing.
Yeah, don't offend nobody. Lynette.
Lynette?
Lynette.
How you spell it?
L-A-E-N-N-E-T-T.
Looks good. First kiss, you can't spell her name.
Probably didn't stick around.
All right. Next one. How about this? I can tell your social, I can tell your birthday, your cell phone, but I think it's more impressive to tell somebody just a random number. So how about you think of any number, just 0 to infinity?
Okay.
Got it? Now this is cracking me up.
Get this stuff right.
This child was at 800 million. This kid was at 8,400,063. But the adult brain gets lazy. There's mine. How old are you?
34.
34. What was your number?
55.
Why 55?
I don't know.
Did you like my race number? Is that what it was? All right. So next, how about? Let's see, I did a name and a number. Let me do something random. How about this? So think in your head. You ready? If I could make it warm or cold all the time, which would you prefer? So think of yours.
Warm or cold?
Yeah. There's mine. Put that in your pocket. Which one?
Jordan's like, I'm gonna have a pocket full of paper.
All right. So hand those to him. Let him open them.
Oh wait, that's not it.
That's,
I don't know. That maybe
that's some girl's phone number.
No, it is.
Hey, you dropped some.
Is that mine?
No, it's just stop it.
What's it say?
Hey.
Lynette?
I'm gonna run out of this. What the What the fuck?
Okay, Houdini.
You got anything you'd like to tell us?
Actually, if you have anything that you don't want the group to know, just think it and I'll tell them.
That's messed up.
Mess it up.
Did you get his number?
How did you get that?
So,
You told me all the answers.
Well, wait, how would you do that on the phone?
How to get the first one? Yeah. Next time, say
He's
it.
good. He's good. This guy.
Well, I gotta say, that's a pretty fun little trip. We're on our way back now. We just left. I've been cruising the whole time. Overdrive on, heat on, windows up, just laid back all comfy. I ain't used to that. There are other cars. They got big blocks, small blocks, 3 speeds. It's just, if we drove that shit down here, it'd be the whole way. Had to fill up 3 times and had a headache by now. But no, I'm enjoying it. It's a good little trip. There's a few cool cars down there. Good people. Pretty fun. But still having a little trouble with this Mach 1. We're having some fuel pump issues still. I thought I had it kind of figured out, but I think I'm just going to run it straight, get rid of the box on it and see how that does. But anyways though, appreciate y'all tuning in.